Welcome to CARFUSETAP, fuse box, relay, wiring, and electrical fixes made easy. In the vehicle interior, the fuse box is located under the instrument panel on the left side, behind the glove compartment. Check the assignment with your diagrams on the box protective cover. Engine compartment. Under the bonnet, in the engine compartment, there may be 3 fuse and relay boxes. Power fuse box. A fuse box in the form of high-capacity fuse inserts is attached to the plus terminal of the battery. Main fuse box. Located on the left side of the engine compartment, next to the battery. Additional fuse box.